Good medical morning. This is Adam, your blackhead king, filling in for Watson, the Prince of Popping. He's on vacation right now with his girlfriend Kelly, going to Cedar Point in Ohio. And in case you're wondering, no, we're not the same person, despite a lot of bizarre accusations of the sort. Today we're going to look at some great blackheads and pimple pops from the Instagram page at Greatest Medical. And go ahead and check them out. Put it into your browser, instagram.com/greatestmedical. First, you're seeing a blackhead being removed with a blackhead removal tool, and I'll put a link to my favorite pimple popper kit in the description below. Next up, this is a tummy tightening procedure. It's easier than a tummy tuck. And check this out, it looks like they're using heat to go ahead and tighten the skin around someone's stomach. This next picture just fascinated me, and I know some of you just want to see pimple pops, so stick around, we've got plenty coming up. But this is a cerebellum, which is responsible for your fine motor skills in the brain. Not quite hyperdontia, this person has a malalignment of their teeth. You think braces are going to fix this? Or will they just need to get a few of their teeth pulled? It's incredible to see. I'm impressed and glad that I don't have this bite. And next up is a fan submission. If you're interested in providing your fan submissions, go ahead and email us. It's allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. While you're watching, go ahead and click subscribe. And here's a fun fact, I never really wanted to be called the Blackhead King. It was just a channel name, and people started leaving comments to the Blackhead King, which I assume they're talking to me. And stick around, we have one more pimple pop and a great weight loss photo coming up, as well as some comedone extractors. And congratulations on this amazing weight loss set of photos. If you're looking to lose weight for the summer, check out Thinnergy. I'll also put a link in the description below. So here is another face pimple being popped, a big blackhead, which may be a dilated pore of Weiner. For pimple popping, both Watson and I use this 7-piece extractor kit. It's my favorite. It is a lancet in case you have those hard to pop ones, just like this. And yes, that's my hand. I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick it up before prices go up. It ships out of the USA and it's hand inspected.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinnergy, and I think it'll work for you.